Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, Zinc-Copper Balance, 100 Vegetarian Capsules. Product Overview Description. Support the immune system. Premium vegan non-GMO gluten-free dietary supplement. GMP Manufacturing independent testing. Discussion. Zinc and copper are essential minerals critical to the maintenance of good health. Zinc-Copper Balance provides a balanced ratio of zinc to copper, each in various forms in order to ensure optimal absorption. Suggested use. Take one capsule daily with food, or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Take a few hours before or after taking other medications. Other ingredients: microcrystalline cellulose, capsule, hypromellose and purified water, silicon dioxide, and sodium stearyl fumarate. Contains sulfites. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, corn, peanuts, sesame seeds, mustard, soy, dairy, eggs or any animal byproduct. Warnings. Do not use if safety seal is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Consult your physician before use if you are pregnant, lactating, have a medical condition or are taking any medication. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.